Hey everyone, my name is Junaid and today we are going to go over our day 15 progress. So this is our net PNL for day 15. We are above around 3R. So our total profit is $400, which is 4R. Our win percentage went slightly above, and in terms of our equity curve, we are just recovering from our few back-to-back red days, so it's looking pretty healthy. In terms of our calendar, I missed trading, but I was unable to find any setup on 28th, but on 27th I did not take any trade. But like today we had our trade only one, and it was the trade that worked in our favor with our profit equivalent to around 3R. Let's go over our trade for the day. Let me just quickly select our trades. There we go. So today we had only one trade that was like a short trade with Tesla. It was a well-defined setup, our cross line breakdown. So as you can see here, I started paying attention to Tesla around 9:47 when I saw these wicks on top side, and there was like a heavy resistance around like 440 level, and then it just started forming this nice breakdown setup. So there was a breakdown, then there was a pullback. It tested the VWAP and rejected it, and then I just entered here on the next minute confirmation candle, and then my target was like low of the day, and then by following my partial rules, my first partial was here around at 1R, which was around 436, took 10% off. Then my second, then I actually added here because it did pull back to 20 EMA, and then I entered here on a pullback, and then my second partial as usual was at 2R, and then I took 50% off, and then rest of these partial were just based on my discretion, because for now I'm just building my base system, which is take one partial of 10% at 1R, second partial has to be at 2R and just take 50% off, and then rest of them I'm just like for now just going by based on price action. So here I just took partial aggressively, and then around this level I was like fully I sold all of my position, closed it. So it was like a nice from 437 to 433, a nice $4 move on Tesla, which worked really well. But if I were to zoom out, Tesla did had a really heavy sell down all the way to like 28, so I could have had additional $5 move, but I was not able to capitalize on that because I was just like partially very aggressively. But still, overall it was an E plus setup, A plus execution, because it was all based on the systems that I'm trying to work on and the system that I have defined. So today I would give it 10 out of 10 for the day. And let's move on to our next day, which is our day 16, and see how that goes.